pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
You know what else is cool? I'm in the Z, Luke's in my Corolla with the train horn. He's having the time of his life right now. Alright, I'm gonna give her the beans a little bit on this one. Baby, I'll be back for you next weekend. We out here.
Secret weapon, right? Secret Santa?
Full send it. They look so pissed.
I like this. He goes.
Now I got two loud cars. Was.
Piece of lettuce.
This is how vlogs recorded.
Camaro.
Ooh, piece candy. That's that Camaro we saw when we were driving. You guys know, alright?
So we're in Hunter Lambeth's
That's not my name.
Corolla, and here's his insurance card and his passport.
Do you?
Yeah.
Should I? Should I do it?
It's up to you.
You are bad influences.
Oh yeah, we are.
We're the best influences.
Yeah, let's deaf everyone.
Why am I doing this? Is he gonna follow? There's no way. I bet he's like, what are these kids on? I mean, he was circling and following us for a fat minute. That's the new 2020 R8 right
That
there.
dude literally busted a nut.
Damn,
what
son.
a fucking weirdo.
Yeah.
That look clean.
He nutted. Dude. Damn, that look clean. 2020 R8. Damn. It's like gold. That thing's pretty badass. Luke, what do you think about that? It's like gold on the inside. What do you think about that? It's pretty cool. Dude,
You guys know what I think
that's
about
pretty.
that?
That's pretty badass.
Yeah.
Look at that thing. That is, I feel
Dude,
bad.
you got to fucking hit
I
it.
feel bad parking my Corolla next to it.
We're not parking.
What are you talking about?
We're getting out of here.
V10. Come on! This is the longest mile ever. Oh my god.